So if you got a Shokz OpenRun or Pro bone conduction headphones and you want to connect it with any iPhone, this quick guide will show you how to pair it and get started fast. Alright, so first of all, let's take it into pairing mode. So just grab your OpenRun Pro, make sure it's turned off. Now long press this power button and then just keep holding it on until it shows this red and blue flashing LED. You'll also feel a vibration or haptic feedback. If you're wearing it, you'll hear a voice prompt saying pairing. So let's open settings on our iPhone. From there, go to Bluetooth, make sure it's turned on, and in a moment, OpenRun's name will show up in the other devices list. Just go ahead, tap on it to pair. You can then go ahead and listen to audio or music right away with it. But if you want to further customize its settings, you need to just go to App Store and then search with Shokz, and then just go ahead and download this app. Now, after the installation, just go ahead set up the Shokz app. Now, along the way, if you want, you can log in with the Shokz account, or you can just skip it. Now, you can also connect the device from the app, but if you've already paired it to the Bluetooth, it'll be auto-connected to this app. And then there are a lot of customization options with sound, software update, voice prompts, equalizer, etc. that you can change according to your preference. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.